Before we proceed, please note that this video is edited by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team and it's not AI generated. Here we will share the details for the Modern Warfare and Warzone blzbntbgs00000001. As per our research, this error mainly occurs while logging to the game. And for some users, the game gets disconnected in between and shows the error code. This error code typically pops up due to system-wide issues or DNS-related problems. The good news? There are solutions. First up, try flushing your DNS. Open your command prompt on your Windows PC and type in ipconfig/flushedins, hit enter, and wait for the command to complete. It resets your DNS connection and finds you a new server. Still seeing the error? Let's manually update your DNS server. You can choose from popular DNS servers like Google, Cloudflare, or OpenDNS. To update the DNS cache on your Windows device, go to Cortana and search for View Network Connections. Right-click on your Ethernet connection and select Properties. Look for Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and double-click. Check the Use the following DNS server addresses and enter any of the DNS servers from the list. For PlayStation 4 users, head to your console settings and choose Network. Note down your IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. Then, set up your internet connection and ensure IP address. Settings is set to manual. Enter your noted details and any DNS from the list under primary and secondary DNS. Test your internet connection to see if the error is resolved. If the error persists, consider using a VPN to play the game from a different region. Some users have found this to be a temporary fix. Alternatively, try another internet connection. A hotspot connection has been known to resolve this error for some users. Should all else fail, don't hesitate to contact game support to report the error. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe, it will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.